Watch as my widow finishes off this dangerous wood-loose hunter. She follows a precise process and we'll soon see why. She continues wrapping, injecting, and anchoring the louse hunter. If you enjoy these close-ups of nature, please like and subscribe and comment what you'd like to see next. It slowly becomes completely entangled in sheets of silk. Watch as she pierces its abdomen. This is when I began to notice what she was doing. I was astounded by the coordination and precision she used to drag this spider up the tree. She'd continually anchor it, cut away the silk holding it, then drag it and repeat.